Hello, and welcome to Crafty Lab, where teams connect through innovative and virtual experiences. Let's get crafty! Let's meet for coffee. Meeting over a cup of coffee can be a wonderful path to a joining of minds. But these days, we can't always meet in person. We've solved that problem with a coffee tasting experience that brings people together over a good old cup of joe. Virtual joe, that is. Join us as we take your team on a journey to explore coffee from around the world, all from the comfort of their desks. We know that relational coffee isn't just about coffee. It's about fair trade, sustainability, and a sense of giving back to our community. Our instructors like to say that this class is a way to pay it forward with coffee. Before making and tasting some fabulous international coffees, your team will learn the science behind it, as well as its agricultural and economic importance to communities everywhere. We work with roasters that source their coffee ethically directly from farms all around the world. Whether you're building client relationships, training salespeople, conducting a sales meeting, or just looking for team bonding, this virtual experience provides the best of all situations. A great way to meet, plus a fabulous cup of coffee. Participants will receive a high-end eco-friendly coffee brewing kit that provides a stainless steel filter, glass pour-over coffee maker, gooseneck electric kettle, and 3 packets of some of the highest quality coffee available. In addition to everything above, we can enhance your client presentations by delivering solutions for delivering high-end client meetings. To secure your spot, schedule a call or send us an inquiry. How do you take your coffee?